Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to play workshop maps in CS2. If you want to figure out how to do that, this video is for you. Let's dive right into it. First step is to turn on the workshop. To do that, let's go to the settings, game, and under here, install Counter-Strike Workshop Tools. Right under Enable Developer Console. Click yes, and it should be ready to go. After you've done that, you'll have to find available CS2 workshop maps by yourself, but for the purposes of this video, I'll give you an example map to work with. In this example, I'll be using the emotes map by UL Elliptical. So to install the map, we're going to go into the Drive folder, go to the Steam folder, Steam Apps, Common, Counter-Strike, Game, CSGO, Maps, and paste the file into here. There's going to be a VPK file usually. Here you can see aimbots.vpk. And now we're going to go into CS, go into the console, type in map, your map of choice right here. In my case, aimbots. I'm going to hit enter. And now you can see I'm loading into the map. Now, as you can see, I've loaded into the map and I'll be testing it for you just a little bit. All right, everything looks good. So, thank you for watching, like and subscribe.